ASMR. Welcome back to the HLE family. And that passed away. Sorry. Chewing gum today.
Whose bottle of water is in the table?
I don't know. Going in the fridge. What is up, Nana?
What's up, dude?
What is up, my dude, Pa? What's up, Pa? What? She just said a bad word. She just said a bad word. Ta 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 ta. What is happening over here, my dude? I hear some loud sounds and everything. What is going on?
It's not funny.
It smells like fart. I'm not even joking. Hey, Nana, you know what my shirt smells like?
I put 375.
No, and Nana, do you know what my shirt smells like?
Huh.
The store Lowe's. I'm not even joking. Hey, yo, what's up, Nana? She's gonna make me nuggets right now and sing still. What?
And whoa.
Kids having corona.
How many do you want? 6?
Yeah. Kids having corona be like. Hey, Nana. You're allergic to corona, right?
Yeah. Don't. Quit doing that. Quit doing
That was a fail. Again. She was about to hit me. She was about to hit me with that pen. Alright, let's try again. Hey, Nana. You're allergic to corona, right?
Right.
Well, okay.
I gotta go put this outside.
Achoo! 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 Hey! Ow!
We gotta wait till the oven turns on, okay?
I just hit my toe on the thing.
That hurt it.
Right here.
Yeah.
I went like this and then I went like boom. Ow, that hurt.
How come you're wearing a...
Oh my god, now I'm limping. I'm limping now. I'm limping. Ah! Thank you, camera lady. Nana.
I gotta watch. I'm gonna need to look up to the oven.
Oh yeah, true that though. My god. Little book. Little book. Oh. Okay, yeah, let's put that back on before falls down, then everything gets Oh, and I got a new scooter. Right, Nana? Kids having corona be like. Hey, Nana, you're allergic to corona, right? Right?
No. Yes.
Oh.
Quit filming me. Hi, baby.
Achoo!
Bless you.
Achoo!
Bless you.
Achoo!
Bless you.
What?
No, baby, no. Sit left over. No, quit doing that.
Why do we have so much plants, Nuna? Okay, Nana, are you even dressed for YouTube? Then go get dressed!
You're a cuckoo person.
Kids have corona, be like. Hey, Nana, are you allergic to the corona?
Yes. Are you?
Yes.
Oh. Don't choke. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. How many chews are you gonna make?
Just messing with y'all. I don't have corona right this instant right now, boys. Oh, those.
Where's your phone? Where's your phone?
And if you're watching this, press that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, turn on bell notifications, leave a like, and punch a bit like this, like that. All right, but yeah, and HOE Gaming, there is a new gaming. It's coming tomorrow, so you better be prepared. Okay, please. All right. On HOE Gaming, I should not have. Okay. On HOE Gaming, turn on bell notifications, leave a like, subscribe. But man, don't tell me you not love watching this. It's just gum, man. I'm messing with you, huh? Best paste. I'm the best prankster. So, can you hang out for a little bit? Hope you guys enjoyed that corny video. So, bye. Wait, hold on. I'm just pranking you again. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. So, bye. Bye.